Welcome back to Edible Kid channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make ginger fried rice. This is a unique dish my mom made a lot when I was a kid. Similar to ginger tea, I normally make this dish during winter. It keeps you warm in cold weather. Since I have to rest the whole box of soil for a few weeks, I have to harvest everything today. Look at them, they are super tiny, even smaller than my turmeric. You can use knife. Always use long grain of rice. However, I run out of stock, so I use short grain this time. This ready chopped radish normally can be found in Chinese or Thai grocery store. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe, please click on this button. To view more, please click here. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.